The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a winter storm warning for the following counties in Indiana: Wayne, Fayette, Union, Franklin, Ripley, Dearborn, Ohio, Switzerland, Carroll, in Kentucky, Gallatin, Boone, Canton, Campbell, Owen, Grant, Pendleton, Bracken, Robertson, Messon, Lewis, Union, and in Ohio, Union, Ohio, Delaware, Miami, Champaign, Clark, Madison, Franklin, Ohio, Licking, Preble, Montgomery, Greene, Fayette, Ohio, Pickaway, Fairfield, Butler, Warren, Clinton, Ross, Hocking, Hamilton, Claremont, Brown, Highland, Adams, Pike, and Scioto, effective from 1 a.m. Monday to 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Tuesday. What? Heavy snow expected. Total snow accumulations of 5 to 8 inches. Where? Portions of east central and southeast Indiana, northeast and northern Kentucky and central, south central, southwest and west central Ohio. When from 1 a.m. Monday to 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Tuesday, impacts hazardous travel conditions will severely impact commutes during this time. If you must travel, have a fully charged phone and keep a flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. Additional information can be found at www.weather.gov/iln as well as on our Facebook and Twitter pages.